Welcome to Kenya, where nature comes alive in its purest form. Every year, over 2 million travelers visit this incredible destination to experience its breathtaking beauty. Imagine endless golden savannas, lush forests, towering mountains, and crystal clear lakes, all home to some of the world's most iconic wildlife. Witness the unforgettable Great Migration, breathtaking sunsets, and landscapes that stretch beyond the horizon. From thrilling safaris to rich cultural experiences, every moment in Kenya is an adventure waiting to unfold. If you're looking for nature, wildlife, and unforgettable memories, Kenya is the destination you've been dreaming of. Welcome to the legendary Masai Mara, Kenya's crown jewel of wildlife and natural beauty. Here, endless golden grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see. Dotted with ancient acacia trees and breathtaking African sunsets. Every game drive is a new adventure, where lions roam proudly, elephants march across the plains, graceful giraffes browse the treetops, and cheetahs race through the savannah. During the world-famous Great Migration, millions of wildebeest and zebras cross the Mara River, creating one of nature's greatest spectacles. But Masai Mara is more than wildlife. It's also home to the vibrant Masai people, whose colorful traditions, music, dance, and centuries-old culture offer a truly authentic African experience. Wake up to the sounds of nature, enjoy unforgettable sunrise safaris, and witness landscapes that leave you speechless. Whether you're a wildlife lover, photographer, or adventure seeker, Masai Mara promises memories that will stay with you forever. Discover the wild, embrace the culture, and experience the true heart of Africa in the magnificent Masai Mara. Discover the breathtaking beauty of Lake Nakuru, one of Kenya's most stunning natural treasures. Surrounded by lush forests, rolling hills, and sparkling waters, this beautiful lake is a paradise for nature lovers. Spot graceful flamingos, majestic rhinos, giraffes, zebras, and countless bird species in their natural habitat. From peaceful lakeside views to unforgettable wildlife encounters, every moment here is picture perfect. Experience the magic of Lake Nakuru, where nature, wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes come together in one unforgettable destination. Welcome to Amboseli National Park, where Africa's wild beauty unfolds beneath the majestic Mount Kilimanjaro. Famous for its giant elephant herds, Amboseli offers breathtaking landscapes of open savannas, shimmering wetlands, woodlands, and seasonal lakes that attract incredible wildlife. Watch lions, giraffes, zebras, and countless birds thrive in this spectacular paradise. With unforgettable sunsets, stunning mountain views, and nature at its finest, Amboseli is a destination that captures the true spirit of Africa. Welcome to Nairobi, the vibrant heart of Kenya, where modern city life meets untamed nature. Explore lush forests, peaceful parks, and the world-famous Nairobi National Park, where wildlife roams against a stunning city skyline. Visit the beautiful Nairobi Arboretum, discover rich Kenyan culture, and enjoy breathtaking sunsets surrounded by nature. From exciting wildlife encounters to vibrant local experiences, Nairobi is the perfect gateway to Africa's beauty, adventure, and unforgettable memories. Welcome to Diani Beach, Kenya's tropical paradise on the Indian Ocean. Imagine powder soft white sands, crystal clear turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees stretching along miles of untouched coastline. Whether you're relaxing by the shore, snorkeling among colorful coral reefs, or sailing into a breathtaking sunset, Every moment feels like a dream. The lush coastal forests and vibrant marine life make Diani a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility. If you're searching for stunning landscapes, peaceful beaches, and unforgettable ocean views, Diani Beach is the ultimate escape where paradise truly comes to life. Ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Explore the wild beauty of Kenya with TravelXC. From thrilling safaris in world-famous national parks to breathtaking landscapes, majestic wildlife, and unforgettable sunsets, every day is new experience. Meet the vibrant Maasai culture, stay in hand-picked accommodations, and enjoy a perfectly planned journey with expert guidance. Let TravelXC take you beyond sightseeing into the heart of Africa. Book your Kenya adventure today, where every moment becomes a lifetime memory.